who is the most merciful and beneficent. Respected sir, respected teachers, dear guests and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today the topic of my speech is Students are Reflection, what the teacher inspires. Before going to start describing the qualities of a good teacher, it's important to know first that there is a difference between a teacher and a good teacher. A teacher is one who has a professional degree of teaching and different diplomas. But a good teacher is one who is dedicated to her profession. She neither to strict nor to writing. She always finds out the student demands and fulfill them as much objective as possible. A good teacher is a good leader. A good teacher is accountable. A good teacher enables the student to think. A good teacher is one who is also at the same time a good student. A good teacher is knowledgeable in her teaching field. A good teacher is adaptable, know how to make changes to lessons or activities on the fly because of an unforeseen situation or problem. As each day, students enter the classroom in different moods. So a good teacher is able to adjust one's own mood, help to keep a stable mood in the classroom. A good teacher is a lifelong learner. New information is developed daily and in order to be the most effective teacher, she just continues to gain knowledge. A good teacher has clear boundaries. When students understand their targets for behavior, they generally follow them. A good teacher never let her students down when they come to them with their problem. Even if the problem are out of syllabus, they try hard to keep by using the student, the internet or library. There are so many qualities of a good teacher. Should have, my view is to tell you to think about this fact that teacher boasts and do not do anything she did. If would do the same student other as well. So in short, a good teacher must have a lot of empathy. Now I want to sum up my speech.